Oh, all right. How y'all doing? I got one more project I'm gonna do. I got with Underground Graphics again. Great bunch of people to deal with. I got the side back window. What do you want to call it? Decal or whatever. I've already got that one hung up there, ready to put it on. Uh, they have great videos showing you how to do this yourself if you choose to do it yourself. So I'm not going to show you how to do it. Just show you my work. Of course, I had gotten the pinstripe from Underground Graphics, as well as the I don't know what that's called. It goes up on the hood, and they had mentioned that thing's probably only lasts about a year, but it's going on 2 years. The Bronco needs cleaning, so still looks good. Pinstripe's been holding up really, really well. Haven't had any issue at all. So I'm hoping to have the same luck with this. And of course, I haven't hung it up on this side yet, but it goes on that window. I'm not really giving you a good video picture, I guess, but I'll show you what it looks like after I get it on. Well, that came out pretty good. Underground, they have, I think, distressed American flag. They have a regular American flag for this, and I think they have the Texas flag. I asked them if they could do the Tennessee flag, and they came out pretty good. Yeah. So that's the Tennessee flag. It's got the 3 stars, signifying the 3 geographic parts of Tennessee. And yeah, pretty happy with it. Didn't take long to put on. This particular installation doesn't require soapy water or anything. And it's cut to fit pretty good around the glass. You can just see the edge of the glass all the way around. Yeah, not bad. I'm pleased with it. Well done again, Underground Graphics. And anybody's got any questions, thoughts, comments, love or hate, feel free to post. Y'all take it easy out there. I figured I'd just real quick show the other side. There. Didn't come out bad. I had one little booger down here, but I figure after all this that I've done, I ain't no professional at doing this. One little booger ain't too bad. Took a pin, popped it, worked the air out from underneath of it, and looks great. Yeah, so again, hats off to Underground Graphics. Again, they're great people to work with. This was technically a special order, and they said no problem. So again, this was just a dry apply, so it was easy to do. No mess. Cleaned the window really well with a water cut with alcohol, and yeah. All right, y'all take it easy.